All right, let's talk about the Lenten rose, also known as Hellebore. Hellebores got their Lenten rose name from the Christian celebrated Lent season, which begins Ash Wednesday and lasts all the way up until Easter, which is a representation of the 40 days that Jesus Christ went into the desert and the sacrifice that he made. That's where Lenten rose get its name. Lenten roses are hardy, zones 4 through 9. Evergreen, which means they keep their leaves from zone 6 through 9. Also, these plants require part shade. So I had them on my front porch. They are really great for front porch plants if you do not get a lot of sunlight, in which I do not. Here's a little weeds. This here is old growth, last year's growth, which will fall off in fall, which, as you can see, mine are starting to fall off. This here is how you pull old stems from the plant. New growth is forming. I will say that this new growth grew within 1 week. 1 week of growth. So here I can just pull really gentle and it pops right off. So this is the time to start removing your leaves. Also, Hellebores like clay soil. Finally, something that has clay soil. So I mix compost manure inside of here with my clay soil. If you have your Hellebores in containers, as I do, you want to put your native soil in here. It does not like all well draining soil. It likes to stay wet per se. So the time now is to repot to get this new growth. Look at this here new growth. It's beautiful. In the summertime, Hellebores go dormant, so you don't have to water as much in the summertime. Unlike our regular gardens, which requires more water. Now, don't forget in the fall time to start watering your Hellebores. The one plant that you can pay close attention to, and come April, which is Lent season, and depending on weather, you will start to see those beautiful blooms, which are about 2.5 inches wide. So this here is my Hellebores, and it's good to go ahead, take off these, because you don't want the energy spending any time trying to. I'll get my pruners for the ones that are more heavier, but you don't want the energy spending time trying to keep these alive. Not at all. So remove them. This here is my how to care for Hellebores, how to remove old leaves to prepare for new growth and a beautiful plant. Also, I did divide my plants, so this here was a part of the mother plant. This is what the roots look like down here. Be sure to break up your roots if you're getting a new plant from the stores. Also remove all of that soil. Give this plant exactly what it wants and needs. Subscribe, like, and comment if you are going out to buy some Hellebores, are dividing some Hellebores, or is enjoying these beautiful green new leaves. See you in my next one. Bye-bye.